Hello, class, and welcome to Kindergarten Math. So, my name is Miss McDonald, and I'm going to be your teacher for Kindergarten Math this year. So, I'm actually currently in school to be a teacher at Franciscan University, and I am from Mingo Junction, Ohio. I've lived here my whole entire life, and I am currently 21 years old. So here's a little bit about me. Some of my favorite things are my family. I'm actually the middle child. I have a younger sister and an older brother, and then a 6-year-old niece. I also really like to hike. Hiking in the fall is my absolute favorite. And then I also like to travel. So that little picture down in the corner is actually from the view of an airplane on my way to Mexico with my family. And lastly, I really enjoy having the occasional ice cream cone. So now it's your turn, so feel free to post your own short video or comment down below some things about yourself. This way we can all get to know each other and find some things that we might have in common.